There are more than 30,000 deaf people in Tajikistan, but there are only 3 fully qualified sign language translators in the country. These university students are trying to improve their signing skills, but the head of Tajikistan's National Association of the Deaf said much more help is needed.
Deaf people often come to us with the same complaint. They always need translators when visiting doctors, police, or prosecutors to solve some issues, or while seeking jobs.
Sign language is the norm in Abdujabbar Davletov's family. His wife and daughters have their hearing and are translators.
When I was a child, we had a party and we had many guests. During that party, I fell very ill and I was given heavy antibiotic injections, which subsequently caused hearing loss. I became deaf at the age of 3.
Davletov and his organization are trying to bridge the gaps in everyday life for deaf Tajiks. Zebo Bidieva is the daughter of deaf parents. She's one of the country's few fully qualified translators.
The deaf really need translators. In my own experience growing up, I saw how my parents suffered every time they approached someone with some issue.
With too few helping hands, Tajikistan's deaf citizens continue to struggle to understand and communicate with the world around them.